Yo, hi guys, good morning. It's April 26, day 117, daily vlog. And today is Friday. Yeah, pauwi ka lang ako. So, yeah. So, yun nga, no. So, half day lang ako kagabi, 4 hours lang. Wala ko sana mag OT pa ng 4 na oras para mabuo yung 8 hours ka. So wala ako sa mood kagabi kasi merong masamang balita. So yung account namin ngayon is madedissolve na or eventually mawawala na. So and right now this is the best account so far, no. Either float ulit kami and then nilipat sa ibang account, mas mababa yung offer, or meron naman sa ibang company na same lang din yung account and then medyo mas mataas yung offer, no, o yung basic. And we are all thinking na kahit mga katrabaho ko na lumipat na ng company, no. So yeah, lilipat ako ng company to keep the account, no, to stay on the same account. So yeah guys, so sa mga ganitong klaseng situation, no, kasi nakaplano na akong magbakasyon sa July, and since mawawala din yung account, walang approved PTO or paid time off, and 3 weeks pa naman ako nag-schedule. So 3 weeks yung na-schedule ko, no? So sayang. Yun yung talagang dilemma ko, yung schedule na 3 weeks vacation. Bahala na, no. Pero if ever man tanggap ako sa bagong company, actually mas better yung offer nila, no, better na. But also wish na sana matanggap talaga ako, pero in God's guidance, bahala na talaga si God na. Okay, so dito na ako sa bahay, no, and yeah, pahinga muna. Pero yeah, on the way now sa office. It's currently 11:20 a.m. Yeah. It's a huge day, it's a big day, no, kasi actually job interview ngayon, no? So what I said kanina, talagang bigla ang balita lang din talaga, no, na yun nga, mawawala yung account. So ngayon, we're gonna applying for the same account pero ibang company na, no? So kailangan ng mag-undergo sa job interview ulit, no. I don't want this to happen. I really want to stay on the same company because so far this has been the best company that I have been with. I have worked for. So ayoko naman na makompromise yung plano ko. Kasi expect na kapag magstay ako sa the same company, ma-float ako ng 2 months again and then transfer ako sa ibang account na automatically mababa, no? Mas mababa yung offer. So in this new company, mas mataas yung offer na, pero pareho lang yung account. So yeah, bahala na talaga yung ama na. Yo, good morning. So it's already Saturday na. Pero dito ko muna i-end yung Friday vlog. Yung April 26 day 117 vlog, dito ko muna i-conclude. So kahapon nga is yun, nag-apply ako sa different company. Actually madami kami, since yun nga, magsa-sunset yung account, mawawala yung account. And yeah, I have done with the initial and final interview. And then kahapon din meron ding result. And salamat sa Ama dahil dinig niya yung panalangin ko at merong job offer. So yeah, very 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 grateful for that. And yeah, yeah, so again, dito ka natin tatapusin yung vlog ng April 26, no? Yeah, Friday vlog. So once again, sobrang salamat ako sa Ama dahil nagkaroon ng job offer, no, sa bagong company. So thank you Lord. And yeah,